I've been to quite a lot over the years, probably half a dozen I would think.
This is my first street learning course and I thoroughly enjoyed it.
This is the first course I've been on.
I've not been to any other street learning courses. This is the first one that I actually had heard about.
So I've had 2 courses now that I've completed. I've enjoyed both of them, both very different and both very useful.
I've learned loads of things actually. It's been really, really good. It's been one of the best courses I've done. I'll definitely take things back to my people, my friends, yeah.
I have suffered with anxiety and self-confidence, and I've used other services like Health in Mind. So it was a way to progress my health and my learning about myself and things around me.
Yeah, I think that's why this has been interesting as well, just a variety of people. Yeah, you don't realise they have the same struggles.
And so this really tied in well with how I feel about the environment, but also gave me the opportunity to be creative and to be around other people. I think it also brings out the sort of the playful, childlike side of you, because you're just kind of playing around with materials and there's no rules, so it's really good.
Because of my brain injury and I've got PTSD, I struggle in places, so this was perfect. And I've got a voice, I can say, can I sit by the door please? Whereas 2 years ago I would have just walked out and gone home.
Oh, I've learned a lot. I have learned how to communicate effectively, quickly, and I feel like I've exploded creatively. It's great.
I was inspired, so it taught me to just listen, learn and put into action.
Oh yeah, I definitely recommend this course to anybody. It's really good fun.
It's been very good. It's a very good course, really enjoyed it.
I would recommend this course 100%. I really would, and I actually said they should do this in schools.
I would recommend this course to other people. It's been really insightful and it's been great for my mental health as well.
It's really fun and interesting, and you get to chat and meet new people and learn stuff.
I'd recommend any of the courses. They're very informative, they're very friendly, and you feel at ease and comfort.
I think it gets you out of your shell. I think it gets you into, like I said, like a sort of creative world. It gives you permission. Anything goes within reason.
I would recommend this course to other people because it was good fun. You meet other people and you're learning in the same process, so it's very enjoyable.
Yeah, I would recommend it.
Definitely,
Yeah, it's very simple, very easy and straightforward.
I would definitely recommend the course to others. Free learning courses are inspirational anyway. And the range of subjects is, I'm sure somebody could find something for anybody.
I'd recommend all the courses. I think it's a brilliant thing. I'm really grateful for the courses, and I'm doing another course tomorrow.